Good morning children. Today we have to learn here given the two shapes and we have to make the tessellation and we have to know that tessellation it means between the no gap and not overlapping. Here we have to start with the dot. So easy to count the numbers. Here we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots and 1, 2, 3 is there. So this triangular shape. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. It means the same size. It means this is the square. So we have to use these two figure to make a one design for tessellations. It means but we have to think this between the no overlapping and gap also. So we have to use same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this shape. Then we have to make the another we have to take this shape. Again this and this we have to take same way we have to count 1, 2, 3. So we have say 1 we have to make this like same way 1, 2, 3. Again we have to go move like that 1, 2, 3. We have to count the dots. Again here the 1, 2, 3. We have to count the dots 1, 2, 3 same. Then 1, 2 and 3. Again we have to count the dots because very important 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 and this is the half shape of this. See here is the also different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is the 1, 2, 3 we have to take this dot also. Then again we have to take the second one shape again 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now we have to take the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So again we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's okay children. Now here again we have to do the same thing. Otherwise half of them, half shapes is 1, 2, 3 like that. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Same way we have to make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have to make 1, 2 and 3 because here also 1, 2, 3 and but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3. Same here also 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this type of design we have to make and prepare. Same way another dots we have to take. Then same type but there is the between is the no gaps. Is clear? Again we have to make the same the design also like that. See 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. 5. This is this shape we have to use like the second one. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1. This we have to also count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See this pattern we have to ready. Again otherwise we have to describe for this. This is the C. This is the we have to divide into the part also. Is no problem. One part. Again you have to make any design. This is the second part and this one is the third part. It's clear children, but we have to the same size. And tessellation also it means we have to use this shape and this shape. But you make the different design also. We have to make the design. But here we have to cut here but same size and design also and we have to count the dots also. It's okay children. So you use the different design, not you use this type of pattern only. You make another design also but important between the no overlap and gaps. It's okay children. Thank you. Have a nice day.